Hello, I'm Rigoberto Hernandez, the 2026 President of the American Chemical Society, and I would like to welcome you to the 2026 ACS Spring Meeting. As we continue our celebration of ACS's sesquicentennial, I'm excited to celebrate our theme, Chemistry is Everything, with you. I have long been known on social media as Everywhere Chemistry. So together, at the ACS meeting, we have the opportunity to do chemistry all at once. Indeed, I'm thrilled that chemists from everywhere will be coming together here in Atlanta, Georgia, where I spent the first 20 years of my career. For me, it will always be a home, and I hope that you will find it a home for your science and networking throughout your stay. As usual, our divisions and committees are staging an outstanding array of thousands of papers and posters for you to consume. Beyond these sessions, you will find education-focused programs aimed to engage middle and high school teachers, undergraduate and graduate students, postdocs, and other chemistry professionals. We are also offering a range of professional development courses, as well as programming and networking opportunities for our industrial chemists. Digital programming includes global virtual symposia and graduate student symposia during daytime hours in the Asia-Pacific region. Whether this is your first meeting or not, I would like to share my insider tips in facing what might appear to be a dauntingly large program. First, don't be afraid of what you're missing, and focus instead on being in the moment of whatever seminar or activity you are in. Second, schedule yourself with enough time to run into other attendees in between your sessions. You may just find that those accidental meetings prove to be the longest lasting. Finally, notice that you will see some of the same faces in session after session. That's a benefit of a large meeting like this one, where you can truly find the science and people you are looking for. That is, you and others with similar interests will invariably make the same choices. In this way, you can make this week's meeting be the optimal small meeting that is truly personalized to you. If you don't know where to start, check out my presidential symposia and recommended events at www.acs.org/presevents. Must-attend events during these meetings include the Priestley Medal Address and the Kavli Lectures. If you'll be in Atlanta and your schedule permits, be sure to attend SciMix on Monday evening for camaraderie, excellent posters, and a broad range of ACS information. And don't forget to make time to walk through the ACS Expo that will feature over 200 companies showcasing services, instruments, books, and laboratory equipment. There will also be industry-focused talks from scientific leaders covering trending topics during special sessions happening in the ChemSpark and Periodic Talks theaters in the Expo Hall. On Tuesday evening, we will be recognizing some of our ACS members for their advancement of chemistry in all its branches, as well as service to the ACS during the ACS National Awards Ceremony. If this is your first ACS meeting and you want to start building your network and community here in Atlanta, please join us on Sunday morning for the first-time attendee orientation and Sunday evening for the ACS Connect Happy Hour. Social events like these will allow you the opportunity to make new acquaintances and rekindle old friendships or just simply relax. Every effort has been made to schedule these sessions and events for your maximum convenience, whether you're participating in person or virtually. And for that, I express my sincere thanks to the committees on meetings and expositions, science, and divisional activities, the Georgia local section, as well as our program chairs, symposium organizers, divisions, committees, and the ACS staff who have done an incredible job of organizing this meeting. And finally, let's celebrate the city of Atlanta for its amazing cultural diversity, all the ways in which it is a central hub for travel, commerce, and ideas for the American South and beyond, and for providing our excellent facilities and local arrangements. We'll be here a little too early to run this year's Peachtree Road Race, but nothing should stop you from getting out for a walk along its city streets, Piedmont Park, or the Beltline to enjoy the great weather Atlanta will offer. That is, unless you can't get away from our meeting, because this year's meeting will truly offer you intimacy at scale. Whether you've chosen to participate in person or via the virtual platform, please make the most of this meeting and find ways to network, communicate, and collaborate with colleagues. If you're attending in person, Make the most of it and have a great time here in our lovely Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you for your contributions to success with the Spring ACS 2026 meeting.